So hey guys, in this example you will learn to calculate the factorial of a number entered by the user. To understand this example, you should have knowledge of some programming topics. So the topics are as follows: C data types, programming operators, if else statement, and for loop. You should have knowledge of these four topics, and after that you can program this example. First of all, we have to learn about factorial. What is factorial actually? The factorial of a positive number n is given by like this. If you want to calculate the factorial of 2, you have to multiply 1 and 2. If you want to calculate the factorial of 3, you have to multiply 1, 2 and 3 and so on. And remember that the factorial of a negative number does not exist and the factorial of 0 is 1. So before start coding, let's talk about how will we write the program. So first of all, we will take a positive integer from the user, and after that we will compute the factorial using for loop. Since the factorial of a number might be very large, so we will declare the factorial variable as unsigned long int, unsigned long, and after that remember that if the user enters a negative number, the program displays a custom error message. So start coding now.